Yo, what's up guys, this is Mckoy here, the first beat effect. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about basic lip rolls. So today, ang pag-aaralan lang muna natin ngayon ay ang dalawang basic concept ng lip roll, which is, in short, yung pinaka-basic. Kasi dito nangyayari lahat ng different variations ng lip rolls. So, we are going to talk about the classic lip roll, and yung inward lip roll. So, medyo mahirap i-explain to kasi Liproll eh. First off, we're going to talk about the classic Liproll. Yun yung mga ginagamit ng beatboxers way back 2006 ata, 2005, 4, or somewhere around 2003 to 2007. Well, ginagamit pa naman ng ibang beatboxers ngayon tulad ni Napalm, yung ano niya, yung intro ng You Can Troll Like This, like yung go high. Yung mga ganun-ganun niya. Alright, so first off, we are going to talk about classic lip rolls. We are going to break that down in 3 different steps. O, yun lang yung naisip ko eh. 3 different steps. Yung una is, pili muna kayo ng side, syempre. Yun yung, kung, depende kung saan kayo komportable, kung left or right. Ako kasi sa right, pag ginagawa ko ang classic lip roll. Before, yung kagrupo ko dati, sa harap niya ginagawa. Hindi ko alam kung paano gawin yun. Pero me, I use the right side of my mouth. So, okay. So, that's the first step. You need to choose which side you wanted to do it. Second is, you want to trap the air inside your mouth. We're not going to use our inhaling and exhaling. Walang mangyayaring paghinga. You just have to trap the air sa loob ng inyong bibig. Yung parang may yung parang gumaganon kayo. But in this case, you don't have to do that, this part. Yung thought lang na merong hangin sa bibig nyo. The next thing that you want to do is to put pressure in your lip, here. May pressure dapat dito. And then, you attempt to push the air outside using your tongue. But today, since we are going to do some lip rolls, depending on which side you're going to execute it from, in this case, we're going to use our right side. Kung gusto nyo sa left, then you can use left. Kung gusto nyo sa harap, then you can use that. So the next one is how to do it inwards. So what you wanna do, yung parang yung nagli-lipstick. Kita yung mga babae pag nagli-lipstick. Or kapag ikaw, pag babae ka, then you're doing some lipstick. Hindi ko alam kung ba't nyo ginagawa. Yun yung parang ganun. So, beatboxers, what you want to do on that part is to transfer that here on the right side or on the left side of your lip. Let's try to do it with our mouths closed. Yung parang ito lang yung bumubuka. Gets? Alright. So, in order for us to do the classic lip roll, kailangan mabilis ang pag-execute ng outward and inward. So, yung magiging tunog niya ay ganito. Gets? Practice that classic lip roll first hanggang sa bumilis siya ng bumilis like this. Gets? Makakatulong din kapag papagalawin nyo yung dila nyo sa loob habang ine-execute nyo yung classic lip roll. Alright, so next one will be the inward lip roll. Okay, kung sa classic lip roll, meron tayong palabas na tinatawag. Palabas na oscillation, yung tawag lip oscillation yung tawag dun eh. This time, walang outward na mangyayari. Puro paloob lahat. Naalala niyo yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na na parang lipstick. The way we do the lipstick thing is wala siyang dila na involved. It's just your lip. This time, in order for you to do the inward lip roll, kailangan may involvement na ng dila mo. I-place niyo yung dila niyo sa may ngalangalan niyo, pero dito sa gilid na part. Sa right or sa left. Eka. So, para maging alalay or para maging parang tawag dun, para maging apakan ng dila nyo dun sa taas pag humatak na kayo ng hangin papaloob. For first timers na kunyari nag-jump kayo agad sa lip rolls, hindi pa siya magiging ganun kapino as kasi kailangan maging komportable yung bibig nyo para magawa nyo na maayos yun. Komportable means maging loose. Maging parang ganito. Kung outward, para magiging ganito siya. Kung matigas yung dila, ay yung bibig nyo, then magiging ganito yung tunog niya. Kung may pressure. Pero as much as possible, you lose that pressure, you take that pressure off of your lip when doing the inward lip roll. So, nangyayari is from here, nalilipat lahat ng pressure dito. At ang maiiwan lang ito. Ito yung mawawalan. Kasi you are forcing your jaw to be on a different direction and you're forcing your lip to also do the same. Dito lang, dito. The pressure should be in here. Dito na part, walang pressure. Meron naman pero onti lang. As in minimal para lang ma-hold yung tunog na. Gets? If this is your first time, try to practice try to practice the pattern. The classic lip roll, right? Then slowly transition to the inward lip roll. Like this. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something from me today. Ang hirap niya ituro, grabe. So the next tutorial that I'm going to teach you guys is the electro technique. Ginamit din to ni Alem, yung intro ng fatality niya. And ginamit din to na raw beat. Just like so, yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. Peace, bro.